In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide orders on the Amazon app. Whether you're shopping for surprises, gifts, or just want a bit of privacy, this guide will help you keep those orders under wraps. Now, I'll walk you through it step by step, so grab your device and let's get started. First things first, on your smartphone or tablet, make sure you have the Amazon app installed and updated to the latest version. Open the app and sign into your account, which will ensure you have access to your order history. Once you're signed in, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to access the main menu. When the menu opens, scroll down until you see Your Orders. This is where all your past purchases are listed. Tap on Your Orders, and you'll be taken to a page showcasing an array of your recent orders, beautifully laid out. Here, the key is to locate the specific order you wish to hide. There may be instances where your desired order doesn't show immediately. In such cases, use the search bar located at the top of the screen to quickly pull up the item by typing its name or browsing through the categories. Upon finding the order, you'll notice a few options next to it. Here, tap on the View Order Details link, which might be either right next to the order, or within a drop-down menu depending on your app's version. Keep your eyes peeled for it. The option is definitely there. Once you've tapped it, scroll down to find all the intricate details about your purchase. However, to maintain your privacy, we need to archive this order. On the Order Details page, look for the Archive Order option, which is typically located towards the bottom. Select this option, and you will receive a prompt asking if you're sure you want to archive. Rest easy, as this doesn't delete the order, it simply tucks it away into a different section, making it less conspicuous in your main order history. Confirm your action by tapping Archive Order one more time. Now, there's a precautionary step you must be aware of. Archiving doesn't prevent others from potentially seeing the order if they have access to your account. Therefore, consider using Amazon's private browsing mode or keeping your account credentials secure. Finally, if you ever want to revisit or reinstate any archived orders, head back to the main menu. Find your account, and scroll down until you see Archived Orders. Here, you can view or restore them to your main order list if desired. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently hide your orders on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless shopping experience.